Hello, everyone. Good evening. Hope I'm audible to you all. Great. Thank you. Thanks for the responses. So we'll just wait for other couple of minutes and we'll get started. I see participants yet joining. So let's wait for other couple of minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes, then we'll get started. So we are aiming for 6:05 to get started. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us for this orientation session. We'll get started by 6:05. Thank you. Hello, everyone. So there is a small announcement before we get started, or we just talk more about this virtual internship program. There is a small announcement which I think it's important to you all to know. So dear participants, we don't have any sort of official WhatsApp group or a Telegram groups. We only have a Rocket Chat channel where you have been added automatically upon your registrations. Okay, Rocket Chat is a channel, is the only official channel what we have. If you have any, if you want to have communications with us, you can write to us or you can chat through this Rocket Chat channel. There is no other communication channel from us. So I request you all to please note this.
Yeah. Yes. A very good afternoon. Sorry, very good evening, everyone. Thank you all for joining this orientation session for the virtual internship program supported by Google. For the benefit of having it smooth, we have muted you all. So please, you can put any of your queries in chat. You have chat option. You can use that to save some bandwidth. I have switched off my video as well, so that people who join from mobile also would be able to understand. Yeah, is my voice audible to everyone? Please confirm once again. I could see some messages saying that you're not able to hear properly. Great. Thank you so much, guys. So, yeah, great, cool. So let us get started. Hemant, can you allow me to share my screen? Yeah, thank you. Great. Let me share my screen first. Yeah. Are you all able to see my screen? Great. Thank you. Thank you so much for the responses. So, yeah, we have set up this particular orientation session for you all today to help you understand what this program is. What are the things you have to do once you complete your registration process. I hope that everyone who are part of this particular session have registered for this virtual internship program and are waiting for the further instructions or the prerequisites that are required for you to get started for the virtual internship program. So I'm going to show you the process of registering once again clearly, because in case you missed out any step while you are getting onboarded, or in case if there is anyone who haven't registered yet but joined the session, also will be able to understand it properly. Okay, so let me take you across the process of getting onboarded onto this program. And once you're onboarded, what are the things you have to do before the actual internship begins? Okay, so first thing, if anybody is not able to hear me properly, I think it is an issue from your end, because as I could see, many of them are able to hear me properly. So please check your network you're connected to, and then I hope everybody is able to see my screen. Great. So let me disable option to chat for a moment, because please see or listen to whatever I'm going to show you at the moment, and then I'll take your questions for a while. Yeah. So I have disabled the chat option at the moment. I'll again re-enable it once I complete my presentation. Okay, cool. Thank you. So basically, this is a website for you all to get the information about the program. This is a landing page, registration page to get into Google supported virtual internship program. So for all others who could also see a faculty development program on this website, so you don't have to get confused about it. We are even launching a faculty development program for the educators as well, who can enroll from the same website. Okay. So today our discussion is mainly centered around virtual internship program for the students, right? So this particular virtual internship program is been designed to provide skill sets on building Android applications using Kotlin. Okay, so this is offered with the support of Google and in collaboration with AICTE. Okay, so if you explore the website, you can clearly see the curriculum that we are going to teach you as part of this particular virtual internship program. So we are not just teaching you, the Android basics, but we are giving you a complete, workflow. If you have to develop any particular project, where do you start? What are the things that are involved in any software development lifecycle? Okay, so we are starting with procedure to develop mobile application. We'll explain you what are the things you have to do, where do you start, where do you end, everything, and then confirming the idea and market research using Mural. Mural is kind of platform. So you understand, for example, if you wanted to build a mobile application, let's say I wanted to build a mobile app to book tickets, movie tickets, right? So where do I start? My idea first, what I wanted to build and what is the market research is, who will be the target audience, all of these things, brainstorming will be done, right? So in order to do the brainstorming and put it in a structured way, there is a procedure. Okay, So we'll teach you how to brainstorm any idea before you build any product, not just with the mobile application, any kind of software product. If you wanted to build, while you're brainstorming it, there is a process for it to properly put into a flow, right? So we'll teach you those all techniques, those all methods while you are thinking about any kind of idea to develop any particular software. So we'll teach you that. And then once you completed your idea, right? So then where do you start? What kind of user interface you have to build? You have to work on the UI and UX part of your mobile application as well, right? So how does an application look? If I wanted to build this, movie ticket booking application, so what could be the flow? Where does the user land? What is the interaction that user will do on my application? Where do they navigate? All of these things, whatever ideas, whatever visual elements I have in my mind, I have to create it and put forth in the form of an UI or UX design. Then only you can build backend, or you can actually develop the application based on the UI that you build. Okay. So that can be done using many tools. In this particular program, we are going to get you introduced to wireframe designing using Figma. Figma is another platform used for UI and UX development designing, basically. Okay. So we design the workflow first. We create a wireframe of your application and create layouts for your particular application, whatever application you wanted to build. And then we come to the Kotlin, actual programming your application, creating actions for your user elements or interface, front-end interface, whatever it is. And then we connect to the backend, we connect to the database, everything, work manager, all of those sort of things. Okay. We can even integrate APIs to your application. ML or AI APIs are available. We can directly integrate these APIs to the application and make it a complete deployable Android app in the end. So that's the agenda of this particular curriculum that we are going to teach you as part of this virtual internship program. Okay. So you can get more details about this curriculum as we proceed further. And then coming to the schedule, program schedule, we have launched it on 6th June 2022. And the last date for registrations is 30th of July. So if there is anyone else who haven't registered for the virtual internship program yet, they can still register for this program. And the last date is until 30th of July. Virtual internship actual start date is 1st August 2022. I'm highlighting this. Your virtual internship program is going to start from 1st of August 2022. Okay. So this will be for 2 months. You'll be having multiple live sessions, mentor interactions, project development, all of this, structured flow for the 2 months of time, and it will end by 30th of September. So overall, 2 months of engagement with us as part of this virtual internship program, right? So this will have all of these activities right from scratch to building a completely deployable Android application in the end. And once you submit your apps to us, we'll review, and all of the criteria, eligibility criteria or completion or submission criteria is met, then we'll issue certificates, completion certificate, virtual internship completion certificates to you. So that will be done by 15th of October. So these are the timelines of the program. So you can see these timelines anytime on the website, available on the website. I'm putting the link of the website in the chat for everybody's reference. I know everybody have came to this particular website and enrolled for the program, but still for the benefit of others who have not enrolled yet. Okay. So you can check out this program schedule anytime under virtual internship program student section. You can click on the student button and this will give you the details of the program. So what is the outcome? You overall have 100 hours of experiential learning, which includes bootcamp, self-learning videos, guided project, and all of the stuff. You can develop an Android application, complete a course on Google, Android basics in Kotlin course on Google. So this is a kind of course which you have to complete as part of this virtual internship program and submit to us. I'll show you what is that course, how do you do that, and how do you submit back to us. And then you can receive a completion certificate post completion of the project and the course. Okay. So this learning, whatever you do as part of this virtual internship program, will also help you to write the professional certification exam of Google certified developer certifications available as part of this Android basics with Kotlin also can be attempted with the knowledge that you gain out of this virtual internship program, right? You can also join Google developer groups. So these Google developer groups will give you an opportunity to learn new skills. Basically, you'll have community over there. You can interact with multiple people who are learning this technology, who are part of these Google groups. So it's a community. It's a good option for you to interact with your peers who are actually interested in the same technology. Okay, you can click on Explore GDG, and that will help you to join these developer groups. Okay, you can explore this anytime. So coming to the flow, program flow, this is your program flow. Please ignore this. This is for the faculty. This is not for the students. So this is for the student virtual internship program journey. So once your registration process is completed, once you're onboarded, then 1st August, the actual bootcamp starts, hands-on training starts. It is going to be there for 6 days. So weekly, there will be 2 sessions per week. Likewise, you have sessions for 3 weeks. For every week, you have 2 sessions, overall 6 sessions over the time period of 3 weeks. Once this 3 weeks of live sessions are completed, you have to complete the course available on Google, which is Android Basics in Kotlin course. This link is provided to you. You can actually start this particular course before this hands-on training starts. It's up to you. Once you register, you can now itself post this orientation session also. You can start if you have time. Absolutely no problem in that. Or you can even start after this hands-on bootcamp is done. End of the day, by the last date of virtual internship program, you should be able to attend these sessions, complete a project, and complete this particular course. That is the end criteria for you to get the completion certificate. Okay, so complete this course, complete a project, and attend our mentor sessions to get your help. While you're working on the project, if you have any doubts, if you're stuck somewhere, you can get the help of the mentors available through Ask a Mentor session that we organize every week. Okay, so then once you complete a project, you can submit to us with all the code, designs, etc. in the GitHub. So this GitHub also is available on our platform. You can directly collaborate with our GitHub account and submit your files, and we'll review and we'll issue you a certificate. So this is a journey. You start with a bootcamp. You complete a course on Google. You complete a project with the help of mentors. Submit your project to us. We'll verify and issue a certificate. This is a journey, right? Yeah, hope I'm making sense. It is clear for you as of now, whatever I told you. If it's okay, we'll proceed further. And I'm not enabling chat again. Let me complete. Then I'll take questions one by one. Thank you. So let us try to register as a new student and see what all things I'll be getting. So click on apply as a student. So you'll be asked to fill this particular form with the details: first name, last name, email ID, phone number, gender, your educational qualification, what are you actually pursuing, or if you're passed out, what is that you have completed. Select your country, it's by default in India, obviously. Select your state, city, based on your state, you'll be getting cities. And while you are selecting a college, you may or may not find your particular college here, but still you can search and see If you're not able to find your college, just click on other. For example, I'm randomly selecting one particular state and I'll get the list of available colleges in this particular state and in this region. So these are the list of colleges available. If I'm not able to find my particular college, just click on other. This will give you an option to enter your college manually. My college name, whatever college you belong to, you just have to enter your college name. Or else, if your college is available in this given list, then directly select that. Okay. Select your year of passing, in which year you will be able to pass or complete your graduation. Click on accept terms and conditions and click on submit. Right? So once you click on submit, you should be able to get 2 emails from our end. Let me open up that for you. So one email is your registration successful email, and you'll be getting login credentials here. I don't see a login credential here because I already created my account. So you'll be getting a login credentials, username and password along with login now button. So just click on login now. This will open up our Smart Interns platform. So you have to remember this platform login page, or you can directly Google smartinterns.com and you can navigate to login page. I'll show you how do you navigate to login page, because you have to use this platform in your entire virtual internship journey. I'll show you. So this is the Smart Interns website, actual homepage. You can directly Google smartinterns.com also. That will open up this page. Just click on join or login on top right corner. Click on student. As you are a student, click on student and just give your username and password that you receive in this mail.
Jay, sorry to interrupt you. We are only able to see the registration form.
Okay. Sorry, my bad. Yeah. You're able to see other screen now? Hemant, can you please?
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, thank you. I'm really sorry, guys. I actually shared one particular window. So anyways, so once you fill the registration form, you'll be getting 2 mails. One, this one, which will say that your registration was successful, along with your login credentials. You don't have, you cannot see login credentials in my mail because I already have an account with Smart Interns. For the new students who created account or who registered for the first time, you'll be getting username and password in this mail. So just click on login now. That will open up this page and use your credentials that you will get in your mail to log in into Smart Interns as a student. Okay. For now, as I told you, remember this particular login page because you will be utilizing the Smart Interns platform for your entire Google Virtual Internship Program journey, or you can directly navigate to this page from Smart Interns website, as I have shared the link in chat, or you can directly Google smartinterns.com. This will open up. This is the homepage of Smart Interns. Smart Interns is nothing but our platform, guys. Don't get confused again between SmartBridge and Smart Interns. Smart Interns is a platform of SmartBridge. Okay, it's our own platform. It's our product. Okay, so just click on or navigate to top right corner where you will see join or login option. Login as a student. Click on student. This login page will appear. Okay, so either you take username and password from the mail you got, or if you remember, it's well and good. So let me log in with my credentials. Okay, 1 second, guys. Let me log in. I just stopped sharing my screen because I don't want you to see my credentials, as I don't remember mine. Anyways, 1 second. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Let me share my screen again. Yeah, you're able to see my screen. Just raise your hands if you are able to see. Fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
So once you log in, automatically you'll be landing onto the dashboard first. Okay, this is the dashboard. So click on externships from the menu that is available on the platform. So don't ask me what is this externship. Just ignore this terminology. It is part of our platform. Okay. So click on externship, and under externship, you should see a card. I enrolled for something else also. Just ignore this card. This is the virtual internship program available on the platform. You should be able to see this card. So just click on access resources and go through this instruction. This will help you understand what is the journey, where do you start, what do you have to do at each stage. I know it's a pain to read all of this information, but take some time and go through this. So click on courses. These are the courses that we are recommending you to complete as part of this virtual internship program. It is compulsory and mandatory for you to complete these courses and submit to us, so that you will be getting the completion certificate along with the project that you have to do. You need to complete these courses as part of the overall learning resources or courses that you need to complete. Okay. We even included few learning resources. If you click on learning resources, you get multiple basic learning resources. So these are not 100% mandatory, but it is for your reference. If you wanted to know what is this Kotlin programming, what is this Google developers thing, and what is the certification, what I was talking about, right? I was telling you about the certification of Google. If you attend this virtual internship program, if you complete this virtual internship program, you will be able to write the global certification of Google also, right? So what is this about? So all of those information can be understood, or about them can be understood by going through this. It's up to you. It is available in the learning resources section. Okay, but courses is something that everybody has to do. You have unit wise 6 units as part of the entire journey. So let me quickly open up any one and show you what exactly you have to do. But before that, let me show you a guided project also. Just click on guided project. So this is the guided project available to you. Click on go to workspace. Yeah, so here we are clearly showing you the journey also again. Self-learning courses. What are the courses you have to do? Whichever courses that are displayed in the courses section are again visible to you in the guided project as well. Okay, so from here also you can navigate to the guided project, and you can navigate to these courses and complete it step by step. First 100 basics course, then layouts course. Just click on these blue buttons, you'll be getting the links. So this red button indicates the course name, and blue button indicates link for you to navigate to the course and come back to here. So while you are working on these particular courses, while you are completing each course on the Google website, you have to come back to Smart Interns platform. Click on Project Workspace here. So don't panic, don't worry. When you actually log in and explore these options, you'll be able to see these all things. Okay, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not randomly opening any other tab. I'm just clicking on the buttons available on top. Okay, Project Workspace. So here you can again see the same things, whatever I just showed you along with the links. So under task and progress, there is one particular button which you can see here. Under tasks and progress, whatever courses that we're asking you to complete are represented in the form of tiles like this, right? So each course, whatever I just showed you, there are overall, as I could see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 6 major courses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So each of these 6 courses are provided to you in the form of tiles like this. Okay, so once you complete a single course, you can come back to this particular task and progress section. Just click on this tile and move it to review, which is nothing but Rohan Sharma. I'll take your question. I think you have some issue. I'll take your question, or for your purpose, quickly let me allow you to chat. Yeah, quickly put your question if you have anything related to the screen that I'm showing now. Yeah, you can put your message in chat. I have given access to chat at the moment. If it is something relevant to the screen that I'm showing now, I'll be taking it. Any question you have, Rohan? No? Fine. So I'm disabling your chat again. Yes, Rohan.
So Jay, I got his message.
Yeah.
So it is a bit different, not related to the Kanban board.
Okay, fine. So Rohan, I'll take all the other questions. Yeah, so I'll take all of these questions after this demonstration is completed. Please bear with me. Okay, thank you. Yes. So like this, as I just showed you, you have to move each and every card and put it under review. So as you can see, you have everything in backlog at the moment. So you have to move these cards to review so that we will get to know that you completed this particular course. And our mentors will review whether you actually completed or not, and then they will issue completion certificate. So you just have to move these cards like this to review. Automatically, if you move the cards, here the overall progress will be updated. At the moment, it is 0%. If you move these cards, and if you come back, I'll just show you to the workspace, this will be updated. So 90% means that you completed all of this course and you put it under review. Only the mentors will be able to move this to complete, not the students. You cannot move any of these things to complete. If you move also, it will come back. Okay. So you just have to put it for review and wait for the mentors to move these cards after completion of the virtual internship program. So don't complete, if the program is starting on 1st of August, now you almost have 20 days of time. If anybody is completing all of these courses before that, and you ask us, review my work, we will not do. We will only review your course completions after completion of the boot camps, which is after 3 weeks of 1st of August, which is nothing but last week of August only. We will start reviewing your course modules. Before that, if you complete also, you have to wait until the review process is completed, and you should attend the live classes and complete the project. Okay, you have 3 milestones to complete in order to get the certificate. One is complete these courses. Second thing is attend the live sessions starting from 1st of August. Third thing is complete the project and submit on the platform. So once you complete a project, you can directly upload the files into your GitHub account and collaborate it to this platform. Link your GitHub account to this platform from here. Just click on GitHub, give your username and check and get collaborate. So automatically we will be getting access to your GitHub accounts. Okay, so that we can see what application you have developed. And you should also create a demo of your application. So a short video of 2 to 3 minutes. This is whatever I'm talking now is after completion of the project, which is in the month of September, maybe after live sessions are completed, after these courses are completed for you, then you will work on the project. At that time, if you complete a project, just create a small self-recorded video of your application. You can share your screen and record the working of your application, and that link you can upload it in any of your drives and share us the link here. Just give the link, video link, so that we can see your application directly. How is it working? Okay, so this is part of the project. So this is how you have to do on the platform. So coming to the courses back, Back to courses. I'll show you on the Google how do you do the courses. Just click on courses. Let us open any of the courses available here. Let us start with this. Start learning. This will automatically redirect you to the actual Kotlin basics course available on the Google developers website. Okay, this is the website of Google developers website. So this is a course you have to do, Kotlin basics. You have multiple pathways to it. Introduction to Kotlin, create your first app. So each unit will have multiple sub modules again. So you have to complete all of these 4 to say that you completed this particular unit. So like this, you have to complete 6 units. Let me open the second one also for your reference. This is unit 2 layouts. Again, under layouts, you have 3 pathways. You have to complete each pathway to complete this particular unit. So once you complete 1 unit, come back, go to guided project, click on go to Workspace, project Workspace. So under tasks and progress, check for the particular unit you completed and move it to review. That's it. We'll know that you completed this particular unit and you move to the next unit, complete it and come back. So this is a procedure which you have to do. Okay. So here, another most important thing, when you're actually working on this particular courses, you have to sign in. It is automatically signed in. Let me sign out of this particular Google account. Yeah. So it will either automatically sign in with the browser signed in account, Gmail account, or you can directly sign in here, right? Only if you sign in, we'll be able to track your profile. Google will know that so and so person has completed these courses only if you sign in. Okay. So just click on sign in and link up with any of your Gmail accounts. So let me link with the current account, whatever I have. Done. I have logged into my Gmail account and automatically whatever I do here will be tracked here. So a separate profile will be created to you on the Google developers page. You can directly access that profile and see what all you completed so far. I'll show you. Just click on this icon. Right. This should be somewhere. Yeah. So just click on these 3 dots. Click on start. So this is your Google developer profile. So you can give all of your details, complete your details, your location, your role, everything. And you can set up your profile anytime also. Click on my profile. This is home page of your profile. Okay, you can create this profile with giving all the information and all. And you can go to dashboard as well. This will show what all courses you completed so far. So this is on Google developers website. Okay, whatever courses we ask you to complete, that can be tracked from your profile. So you have to share your profile link to us so that we can also come and see what all you have done. Okay. Okay. So by default, your profile will be in private mode. Private mode means like if you share your profile to anyone, nobody can access your profile. You have to change that to public so that anybody who have your profile will be able to see what all you completed, what all courses you completed. As you can see here, if you click on my profile, all the badges that you gain. If you complete each unit, you'll be getting a badge. Okay. So all the badges, all the units you complete will be automatically updated in your profile under your badges section. And if you see here, you have your account, your profile is in private mode. You have to change this to public, only then we will be able to review your work. So just click on the settings button. Click on change settings. Scroll down. And you have to change this privacy settings to public. And give your name here. g.dev/your name, whatever name you have, you can give here. Automatically, this will become an URL. So this is already there. Let me give some number to it. Right? Save. Done. So a unique URL has been generated for you on your name. So if you go to my profile, so this is my profile link, as you can see on the URL top, or you can copy from here. Just click on copy. If I paste it in another browser, I should be able to directly see my profile. So this link I can give to anyone, and anyone can see what all badges I completed on Google Developers. Now it is public. If it is private, if you click on this link or if you open this link, nobody can see anything. So make sure that you turn this profile to public and complete the courses. So this is one-time activity. If you complete this process, then you can come back to each course as part of this courses. As part of the courses, and just one after the other you complete, and automatically this will be updated on your profile. Am I clear, guys? So coming to Rocket Chat, so that's the last thing. So by default, if you go back to mails again, yeah. So if you go back to mails, I got one mail saying that my registration is successful. I got another mail to connect with mentor. So if you see here, we have added you automatically to a communication channel on Rocket Chat application with the Workspace URL and username and password. Okay. So you can download this app in your mobile for your easy access, and you give the Workspace URL displayed here, give the username and password, and you will be able to log into the communication channel. So that is the place where all our mentors are present, our team is present. Whatever question you have, you can put it there and you'll be able to get the response there. At the moment, I know that many of them are putting so many questions. You're getting a delayed response, I know, because the program is yet to start. It is starting from 1st of August. Now, whatever time you have is a kind of prerequisite time period where you set up all these activities which I just showed you: creating an account, joining Rocket Chat, creating Google profile, setting up Smart Interns account, all of these things. You keep it ready by 1st of August, then you can get started. At that time, you'll have active responses from our mentors, because that is the time when the actual program starts. Okay. So we don't have any other official communication channels apart from this Rocket Chat. This is the only official group, official communication channel, which you have to join and ask questions related to anything, and our team will respond to you from this channel only. If you are creating any WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups and asking your other people who register for this program to join, that is strictly prohibited. We don't support such activities. We give 2 warnings to anyone who do such activities, and then we terminate their virtual internship program. It's a strict policy that everybody has to follow. We don't encourage anyone creating any individual or private groups and asking teammates to join. If anybody is doing that and asking you to join any personal chat groups, please don't join any of such groups. They are not our official communication channels. We are not responsible for any of the circumstances that you come across by joining in any of the personal chat applications that you join. Our only official communication channel is through Rocket Chat with the login credentials that we provide to you to your email. Okay. For your convenience, please download application. You have links for if it is Android, you have Google Play link. If it is iPhone, you have App Store link. You can use any of it and log into and keep it ready. So from first, actual live sessions will start. Links to join those live sessions will be sent to you by 26th or 27th of July. Last week of July, you'll be getting the links, and the timings would be mostly in the evenings, because many of them are in colleges. You must be having your regular curriculum, regular classes, academic classes. So mostly it will be in the evenings only, post 6 o'clock. I'm making it clear again. You might have live classes mostly in the evenings, post 6 o'clock, so that it won't disturb your regular activities that you already have. I hope I have cleared it for the moment. So let me now start taking any questions you have. Yeah. So I'm giving you access to put any message in chat. Please, now it's your time to ask questions. If you have any questions, please put it in chat. I'm ready to answer now. Okay, I'm getting so many now. Right. Okay, there's one question. Is it okay if I enter my college name directly? Option instead of using other option? No, there's no problem at all. You can do that as well, but we recommend you to enter in other. Otherwise, it's okay. Yeah, this involves a bit of coding. You'll be developing Android apps using Kotlin programming language. As I mentioned you, on the Smart Interns platform, if you log in, we have clearly given what is Kotlin, what you have to know, how to work on Kotlin, basics of Kotlin, under the learning resources section. So please explore those videos for a better understanding. You don't have to connect with GitHub at the moment. Just forget about GitHub now, because you are still not, you have still not started your Google Virtual Internship program. GitHub aspect will come only when you are working on a project. Don't create unnecessary issues, or worry about unnecessary things at the moment. All you have to worry now is whether you registered successfully, whether you got Smart Interns platform access, whether you are part of Rocket Chat. These three things are the major things that are required for you at the moment. Okay, there are a few common questions. I'll address them again. We didn't receive the mentor link. Is it necessary to register on the AICTE website? Actually, it was necessary to register on the AICTE website. There was some technical issue from the AICTE. At the moment, directly utilize this website to register for the program. We will again sync up this data with the AICTE. You can directly register for the program using this website. Okay, there are a few questions. I'm just noting down the questions. I'll address everything. Are there any recording sessions available? Yes, there will be recording sessions also will be given to you at the time of live sessions. Yeah, Dinesh, I'll give a short recap again, a short summary before we end this session. Is it similar to Android study jams? I wouldn't say it is similar, but it is a different thing. It's basically launched to provide a kind of practical knowledge on the Android application development using Kotlin. Yes, it is unpaid. You don't have to pay anything for the training that we provide you, and you cannot expect anything any monetary or any kind of stipend from this. This is a kind of free initiative with the support of Google to help students like you learn Android development skills using Kotlin. And this is executed by SmartBridge in collaboration with AICTE. Okay, if anybody who is not able to see Git link or on the platform, let me show you. Yeah, so there are few questions related to this as well. Courses, learning resources, remember this guided project, click on go to workspace, click on project workspace. Here, some might see this Git repo and demo link buttons. Some may not see two of these buttons. Some can see only one or either of these buttons. Okay, so don't worry about that at all. If you're not able to see these options, this will be automatically resolved by our backend team by the time you have to use that. At the time, for now, you don't need these buttons on your account. All you need is these courses, those learning resources. These courses are important for you at this moment. Learning resources are important for you. And this project workspace with the links to do these courses and update the status. If you're not able to see these things, let me know. Don't bother about these things for the moment. We'll resolve it by the time you complete your project and come to this situation. Or any kind of software or any kind of installation required to develop Android applications, we'll let you know on the first day of bootcamp. Don't bother about all of those things at the moment. I'm repeating it again. You have to bother about three things now at this time period before start of the program. All you have to bother is about whether you got access to Smart Interns platform, this platform, whether you got username and password to your mail or not. Second thing, whether you got access to Rocket chat application. Third thing, whether you are able to see these courses and complete these courses. Rest all, don't worry about it. We will anyhow guide you and resolve any of the issues that you have in the first day of the bootcamp. If you miss any of the sessions starting from 1st of August, you will be given access to the recording of that particular session also. You can view that recording later and complete the project. Don't worry about it. And there is no particular prerequisite. If you know any of the coding, any programming language before, either C, C++, anything, that is fine. You can learn Kotlin easily. Don't bother about AICTE for the moment. Directly enroll to the program if anybody has not enrolled yet with the link, direct website. I'm again sharing the link in chat. Attendance, it's our headache. You just join with the links that we provide to you. Starting from 1st of August, we'll be sharing the links, everything to your mails. So all of those attendance, tracking your attendance, tracking your progress is our headache. We'll take care of that. You don't worry about it. So there is one interesting question from Tushar. So if you go to these courses, which I just showed you, let me open up again. So for each course, which I just showed you, for example, Unit 1, Kotlin Basics. So under each particular course, you might see a particular activity that, they are asking you to complete. So these all doesn't come under an actual project. These are activities. You just have to complete these activities in order to complete this particular unit. You don't have to upload these activities in the GitHub. Whatever you have to upload in the GitHub is a separate project. After camp starts, what you have to work on the project. Until then, just simply complete these courses and update on the project workspace of Smart Intern. Tushar, did I answer your question? If you haven't received any mail regarding Rocket Chat, please check in your spam as well. Unfortunately, some of mails might go into spam. Just check in your spam as well, or search Connect with Mentor. This is the subject you will be getting regarding Rocket Chat. Connect with Mentor in your inbox. If you still can't find that, you must have given a wrong email ID. How does the certificate look after the completion? You are very much eager about the certificate. Yeah, we'll release a sample certificate very soon. You'll be able to see that. But at the moment, focus on what you have to complete to be part of the program. So this particular, I have another question from Vikalp asking what is the progress section. So I think Vikalp, you're asking about this one. So this is nothing but when you move these cards under task and progress, you have these cards, right? So if you complete each unit from the courses, you just have to move this particular card. For example, if I complete layouts unit, or if I complete navigation unit, I simply move this card and put it under review. This third section, from section 1 to section 3, like this, I just drag and release it here, which will automatically update my overall progress of the courses that I complete. This will help us understand how many you completed, what is the percentage of your completion. Okay. When you will be getting mails from your mentor, you'll be getting mails regarding live sessions in the last week of July. Today's session is available on YouTube. Okay, I think it has been live streamed. Maybe, yeah. If it is live streamed, it should be available on YouTube. The deadline to complete 6 courses is basically the deadline of the virtual internship program. Very simple, which is by end of September. But for your benefit, don't take so much of time. Better you complete these courses by end of August. That is by end of the live sessions. As I told you, we'll have overall 6 live sessions from our end, 2 for each week. Each live session will be for 2 to 3 hours, and it's going to be in the evenings. And weekly you'll have 2, and the calendar, the schedule, everything will be mailed to you shortly. Which dates, which day exactly you'll be having live session, which day you don't have, all of this will be sent to you over mail. Mohit, I think I answered this question. You don't have to upload the projects or the activities asked as part of the courses. You just have to upload the project, which we allocate to you after the bootcamp. So don't worry about the project at the moment.
Okay, can we just talk about the limit of internships? So people are asking, are we going to give only 5,000 internships?
No, there is no such limit at the moment. How many ever complete the courses and how many ever fulfill the requirement that we ask for are eligible to get the completion certificate. Yeah, Aishwarya, where do you have to submit the Google profile URL? That's a good question, which I missed it actually. So thanks for reminding it back. As I showed you how to convert public profile, private profile to public. This is a profile URL, right? So we are going to bring in a new feature under courses. On top of these courses, very shortly we are going to bring a feature which will ask to submit your Google profile URL, developer profile URL, this URL. Just copy. You'll be getting a button and a box here very shortly. Just paste your profile URL there and click on submit. We will be collecting those URLs and we can track your progress. So this will be implemented very soon. By next week, you should be able to see this feature under courses. If you click on externships, and if you click on access resources, under courses, you should be able to see that option by next week. Now you don't have it at the moment. Don't worry, just keep it ready. Whenever you see this option on your courses, just submit your profile. Hope I answered the question, Aishwarya. Sorry, it's Aishwari. I'm really sorry. Rohit, I think I answered the question. Yeah, I'm getting many questions regarding whether you have to complete these courses before start of the program or not. Yes, you can complete these courses beforehand if you have time. It's well and good. Before the start of, that is before 1st of August. If you have time, you can complete these courses and be ready. Don't forget to update in the project workspace also. Whatever you completed, just move those tabs which I just showed you. So I might miss few questions, guys. Please don't sign up form. Okay, wait. I have there are hundreds of questions. I might miss few questions. The sign up form from my college account. I already have a Google Dev account. How to link these two? If you already have a Google Developer account, just provide this URL to us. That's it. This is a question from Nihal Thakur. Snehal, this certificate is 100% valid in any of your future jobs, interviews, wherever you apply for any kind of jobs in future. This will definitely give you more boost. It will boost your profile. It will give you a kind of good impact for the recruiter. So definitely it will help you. So if you're coming from any non-coding background and still you wanted to do it, you can do it. We don't restrict, but the only thing is it involves a bit of coding. You should be able to understand the coding. There is another question, why are we not taking it on Google? So I don't think, whichever platform we use, it doesn't matter. So we are more comfortable with Zoom, and I don't think so you are having any problem in attending in Zoom. That's a relevant question anyways. How long it will take you to complete the project? It will depend, we'll give you time up to, 3 to 4 weeks of time to complete the project after the bootcamp. So you can take, you'll have ample amount of time. So you can find these recordings, I guess, in the YouTube. We'll share with you in Rocket Chat. I'm repeating again, whatever information we just explained to you, whatever question you still have, you can put it in Rocket Chat. We'll share the links in Rocket Chat. Stick to Rocket Chat only. There is no NOC required. There is no particular documents required from your college in order to be part of this particular virtual internship program. And the content, whatever project we do, it's of basic level. You cannot expect intermediate or advanced level of projects. Rocket Chat access will be getting to your mail if you register for this program. As I told you, if you complete or if you submit the form, if you complete your registration automatically, you should be getting 2 mails. Checking your spam or promotions also for this website, you should be getting there. Fine, it's already 7:09. I think I have answered most of the relevant questions. Assessment is something that will come in the end of the program. Don't worry about it. You don't have to pay any for this course. So let me summarize quickly and we can end the session. Yeah. So let me summarize very quickly. I'm switching off the chat for the moment. Yeah. So I'm summarizing it again. Let me share my screen. Yeah. So this is the official website of the Google supported virtual internship program. Everybody have to come to this page. Just explore the details provided in this page. This is the content that we are going to train you starting from 1st of August. This program is starting from 1st of August. And register for this program by applying as a student. Click on apply now. This will open up a registration form. Fill all the details. If you're not able to find your college here, just click on other that is available in the last section. I'm just showing you for your reference very quickly, randomly selecting any city. So available colleges will be seen here. If you don't find your college, just click on other here and enter your college manually. When you click on submit, you should be getting 2 mails to your mail, whichever mail ID you have given. One mail is about your login credentials, successful registration mail and login credentials. Click on login now. That will open up the home page of or student login page of Smart Interns platform. Give your credentials that you get it here. You cannot see credentials in this particular screen because I already have mine with me. Okay. So you should be getting a username and password. Use that to login. And if you go back to the second mail, you'll get another mail which says connect with mentor. This is a Rocket Chat application mail with the Workspace URL, username and password. Use these credentials to log in into Rocket Chat application. Okay. If you haven't got these 2 mails, check in your spam or directly search here, connect with mentor or Smart Interns. This is the subject which you can easily find the mails in case you're not able to find it. Okay. So I'm repeating it again. We don't have any other groups, WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, whatever rubbish groups people are creating. We don't encourage that. If you see such activities, we will terminate your virtual internship program. We only have official Rocket Chat application. Okay, you have to get into Rocket Chat, put your question, and our mentors will respond to you. Active response will come from 1st of August. Before that, whatever response, delay response, whatever you have, that will continue. We cannot help with that because actual program start date is from 1st of August. Then once you log in into Smart Interns platform, just go to extensions, click on access resources. You should be able to see courses. These are the 6 units which you have to complete mandatorily by clicking on start learning option. And you even have access to learning resources. I had a few questions regarding what kind of programming, how it is. All of those questions can be answered if you go through the learning resources. Okay. You have under guided projects, you have go to Workspace. Click on project Workspace, scroll down a bit, just ignore whatever you have here for the moment. You don't need it for now. These are required only after the program is started, so don't worry about it at the moment. Just click on task and progress. So once you complete any unit under courses, just move that particular unit type to review so that this progress will be automatically updated. So when you move, immediately this will not update. Again, this is another issue. People again come back to us and say, my percentage is not getting updated. Just refresh the page, it will automatically update. Okay, don't worry about that. This you have to do. And then once you're working on any kind of courses, just click on these 3 dots. I already logged in. You should be able to see create profile button. Once you click on create, just proceed with the formalities. You should land onto my profile page here like this. Okay. By default, it will be private. You have to click on the settings, go to your change settings button. Here under profile privacy settings, you need to change this to private to public. Okay, then only we will be able to see your profile. After you click on public, it will ask you to give a custom web URL, which is nothing but a name, whatever name you have, you can give that and click on save. A profile will be created with the username that you give like this. I just gave my name with some number like this. So this is your profile URL. Anybody asks what all you have done, on Google developers, just share this link and they can see what all badges you have, what all certificates you have. Okay. This is a procedure to copy your profile URL. You have to come back to student login and under courses, let me open up. Yeah. So under courses, we are going to bring in a new feature very soon. Here under courses to submit your Google profile URLs. So just check for this feature by next week. Just copy that and paste it here and click on submit. We can track your profile URLs. Done. So this is a step you have to do. Program is starting from 1st of August, ending on 30th of September. 2 months duration. Only if you complete these courses and complete a project that we allocate to you, you will be getting completion certificate. I hope I made it very clear. So I have a question from Chirag Narnolia. If you have your email already registered, so registered with what? Can you be specific, Chirag? So anyways, if you have any further questions, please put it in Rocket Chat. We'll try to answer as soon as possible. You can suggest to your friends also who are interested in this program. It is open for anyone who is currently pursuing your graduation. Yes, you can submit this completion certificate in your university for getting credits also, because this will fulfill all of your virtual internship requirement as part of your academics. This comes under any kind of credit system that you have in your college. You can submit this. Okay, I had a few questions. What is the role of Google in this particular virtual internship program? Google is supporting this virtual internship program, but this virtual internship program is being organized by SmartBridge, and they are supporting this initiative to provide their learning resources. What all courses you can see, what all courses you're getting access are the courses of Google. Google is verifying and authenticating this internship that it is a valid internship. You can complete this internship and they are endorsing it. Okay, so we are closing this session in next 3 minutes. So if you have any further questions, please put it in Rocket Chat. Others, if you don't have any questions, you can leave the meeting. Thank you, everyone, and expecting you all to start your journey on the courses and join the boot camps that are going to be starting on 1st of August. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. I'll stay it open for next 2 minutes.